friends, running kimono, and believe it or not, all my digital coupons and all my registered rewards and everything worked out perfectly this morning over at Walgreens. So something is really up. Maybe I need to go buy a lottery ticket or something. So we're going to talk about this $35 basket that I did. And then I also got the Dial body wash on its own, and it's also a pretty good deal. I'm really hoping that maybe IBOTTA has a rebate for this one, maybe as the week progresses. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. And we'll talk about some inserts in a second, and then a little quick Meijer deal to get these for 7 cents a piece. The weather report for you guys, it is a cold and brisk one. Hi to my mom if she's watching. I hope she's having a spectacular day. Okay, first store we're going to talk about is Walgreens. And over at my Walgreens, I did buy newspapers on my card and my husband's store card. And they had like a bunch, like Smart Source, the savings. And on both of my cards, I got this one, which is $9 back when you spend $40. And then I think on my card, I got $8 back when you spend $35. But I needed this because I have the digital boosters, but I also wanted to stack it with the paper booster. So this is my $35 basket that includes 3 Angel Soft toilet papers, 2 Colgate products. We have a 50-cent for this one digital. Then we have a $2 for the mouth rinse, and then a $2 for the brush. And then I got these for $10 a pop, and we had a $4 coupon for this. Sorry guys, I didn't screenshot it, but it's floating around. And then I also had a $3 for this one. So adding all of this merchandise up together, that is a total of $39.95. So the 3 toilet papers, the 2 dental, and then the 2 razors. Now, I had a whole bunch of coupons that came off, a $4, a $3, a $2, a $2, and a 50-center. Just to give you guys a visual, I know there's not a lot of new shoppers probably watching this video. This is the paper booster that I got out of the Catalina machine that I used for this little deal, $39 basket. Thus, this would work along with the digital. 1 paper, 1 digital. Yes, they do in fact stack. 100% digital deal, guys. So what I did was I got the cashier to scan that before she pressed the final pay button. And then all the digitals came off, and to my debit card, it was $28.45. What I got back was $17 in Walgreens cash, 8 for the paper booster, 5 for my digital booster, and then 4 back for buying 2 Colgate products. And then I also got back this for buying the 2 Gillette products, and this for the Angel Soft. Plus, IBOTTA giving back $1 for this Colgate Optic White. So after everything is said and done, this was $3.45 for the 7 products, or 49 cents each. Let's remember not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, or you'll have some problems at checkout. Okay guys, so this is really weird to show you something that I just was talking about, but for whatever reason I just uploaded it, and I needed some audio to go on this part, so you have to deal with me just babbling about nothing. But these are all the visuals and the digital coupons that you need loaded. And I do apologize about this again, but the video, I just could not upload it the way I had it. Something weird was happening. This is the wonderful IBOTTA rebate. Now we're looking at Colgate, the offer again. And Angel Soft along with the tag. I know a lot of you really enjoy those tags. Thumbs up for tags. And the little digital coupon. And now we're going to look at the Gillette. And Gillette number 2. I really hope this helps when I do the upload again, because I got some weird message. I don't know what that was about. So, yeah. And here it is. I used a $4 coupon, not this $3, but this is the only visual I had. And just to show you, this is the matchup all typed up if you want to grab a screenshot. And I got it for $3.45 after everything's said and done. Quite spectacular. Okay, so now we're just going to take a quick moment and look at some very easy deals that newbies can do, or if you just are like, I don't really like anything this week. These are deals that I think you should do. As you can see, you buy 2 Colgate products, you get back $4 of Walgreens cash. I would absolutely grab one of these mouthwashes for $3.99. As you can see, it's tagged. It says $4 back when you buy 2. Load this digital coupon. All digital coupons are also of a one-time use, guys. We're also grabbing one of these toothbrushes, because why not? We get toothpaste for free all the time, so let's grab one of these fancy brushes for $3.99.
And as you can see, it's tagged. It's part of the same promotion. And in your digital coupons folder, we have this very beautiful $2 coupon. And this is valid till Saturday, so definitely use it or lose it, guys. And alternatively, if they're out of brushes or out of that mouthwash, you can also grab 1 tube of toothpaste, and there's also a $2 digital for that product. So grabbing 1 mouth rinse and 1 brush, that's $7.98. Remember, we're looking for items that are tagged at $3.99. So that add the 2 numbers, that's $7.98. Subtracting the $2 digital for the wash and the $2 for the brush, you're paying $3.98 out of pocket, getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, making it free. You can use Walgreens cash if you wish, spend it to earn it for this scenario, because this is a buy scenario and we're not using any boosters with it. So thus you can use your Walgreens cash. Also, let's not forget to take a photo to IBOTTA for the Optic White mouth rinse to get that extra $1 back, making this free plus a $1 moneymaker. IBOTTA is a really cool app, guys, to get money back for items, even like mouth rinse. So if you have not signed up for this app, or if you're newer to couponing, check out the link in the notes. I think when you sign up with my referral code and submit your first qualifying receipt with IBOTTA, you get $10 back. And this is for new signups only. I know there's a lot of new shoppers who are checking out this couponing thing, so you might want to sign up for IBOTTA to start saving money on items such as mouthwash.
Okay, the next little deal that I did was on the Dial body wash, and I went for these, which is the Clean and Gentle, and it's part of the promotion of buy 2, get back a $4 register reward. This is a store register reward as well, so just be mindful of that. So $8, we have a $1.50 digital off of 1, and I also threw in $5 of Walgreens cash for this transaction. I paid $1.50 out of pocket plus tax, back a $4 register reward. I think it's a super smart deal to get these body washes on the cheap, and this one is a fragrance-free one, so I'm pretty excited about that. Now, I also got this weird one that came out of the Catalina machine when I was buying my papers, and it is $9 back when you spend $40. I also have on my store card, spend $60, get back, it's either $10 or $15. So if I spent $60 and got back like $19, if I can figure out another deal, I might do something like that, because I think it might be a pretty good little dealio for me. Meijer, which is a grocery store in the Midwest, these secret deodorants, there are specific ones that are on clearance for $2.07. Grabbing 2 of them, that's $4.14. We have a 4 off of 2 M-Perk, so it would drop it down to 14 cents for the 2, or 7 cents per deodorant. This is being cleared at several stores, and I think that if you resell on Amazon or eBay or whatever, this will definitely be a BOLO product, which is a be on the lookout. Probably by next summer, you can get a pretty penny for these, because people will want them, but it's just going to be a product that's no longer around. And this is my favorite deodorant, and I think over at Walgreens, they're like $8 each. They are not cheap, but a lot of stores are clearing them, so that is kind of interesting.
Hey guys, and as of this morning, Christmas merchandise, if there's anything left, 70% off. Certain items are not 70 though. I think food is just on a weird like 30% off or something, like just give it away. But looking at this sign, if your store has a lot of stuff, like my store had quite a bit, I didn't touch any of this stuff because I want to get it a lot cheaper than 70% off. And even like regular shoppers, the stuff at $2 or $3, I think most people will just leave it at the store, and it's just how things are. My prediction is that next Sunday, which is the 9th, as per the sign, it will hit 90. So to pay 10% on some of these products, it's totally where it's at. Hopefully people don't clear everything, but they won't, because a lot of this stuff, it's clusters of the same stuff that nobody wants that was at 50. But still, 90%, we'll have to wait and see. Hopefully they don't box it up and just send it off to a warehouse somewhere. So before I take off, guys, let's have a little Happy New Year giveaway. Okay, so I still have one of these $15 Domino's gift cards, so that's what's up for grabs. We only have one winner for this. In the comments of this video, tell me what your favorite pizza is and where you're from. For example, if you're from Columbus, Ohio, write Columbus, Ohio, pepperoni and mushroom. And that is your entry. One entry per person, and I will pick the one winner on January the 5th, which is Wednesday, and I will pin the winner's name at the top of this video. Good luck, guys, and Happy New Year!